Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have 4 different remote opportunities that are just for you, and these are non-phone. So that means it's very easy for you to do if you have the required skills. So stay tuned and don't forget to hit the like button because it helps us with the algorithm to reach more people just like you looking for the best remote work from home job that's available for you. So this first job is from the company Michael Bennett Kress, looking for a production and social media person. Pays up to $25 an hour. Individual will play a key role in creating a visual brand strategy and executing digital marketing and social media advertising campaigns. Will need strong background in the social, digital space. This professional individual is comfortable working collaboratively or independently and is very capable of self-direction. This individual can fashion a story that builds the brand through all mediums and delivers information on the unique experience. Will also be responsible for managing album projects, coordinating digital retouching and digital design. Part-time initially. Social media coordination, choose images, write copy, create videos for Instagram. Video productions, create various video items for clients and social media storytelling. Requirements: proficient with Mac, experience in the wedding market, experience with social media, Adobe Photoshop, iMovie, Canva, or Final Cut Pro. InDesign will be a plus, creative wordsmith, experience with digital marketing. Implementation of project worksheets on Google Docs for all production, video, and social media projects. Coordinate client production needs, retouching, album layout, design, client approval, and quality control. This job can be full-time or part-time, pays up to $25 an hour. It has a flexible schedule with the opportunity to be a self-determined schedule. Education: preferred bachelor's and preferred experience 1 year of marketing. If you feel like this is the right position for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 1 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We have 3 more jobs that we're highlighting in this particular video, but also this channel is completely dedicated to finding you the best remote work home job that's available for you. So all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be among one of the first notified. This next position is from the company Untied Business Solutions. They're looking for a social media manager. It pays up to $25 an hour. This role includes the management of assistant management of several business-focused social media accounts, review and interpretation of analytics, development of content, and development of aesthetics and mood boards. Instagram is the main platform used. Duties also include some general administrative work supporting the team. Required experience. Some experience with content creation, content management, and scheduling is required. Some experience with Instagram is required. Experience with TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Facebook is a bonus. Qualifications: must be available during the day, Monday through Friday, flexible part-time hours. Must have stable internet, stable phone connection, phone and or tablet, and computer. Remote work while traveling to other places is allowed. For this job, you're going to submit your resume, your cover letter, submit a video, an Enneagram number, submit references. It includes some benefits such as dental insurance, flexible schedule, health insurance, paid time off, professional development assistant, and vision insurance. The schedule is 8-hour shifts, day shifts Monday through Friday. Education: required at least bachelor's and at least 1 year required of social media management. And also, you must speak English. It is required. So if you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 2 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to discuss 2 more jobs right here on this particular video, so stay tuned. And also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be among the best notified when we have the best remote work from home job that's available for you. This next position is for Office Bug LLC. They're looking for a social media management assistant. Pays up to $18 an hour. The hours are flexible hours between 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Available hours per week starting off from 7 to 12 hours per week and will most likely increase. As a social media assistant, is responsible for brainstorming campaigns, creating social media content, analyzing analytics, ensuring the client's branding and content are consistent, contributing to the social media plan, and implementing the client's objectives. Responsibilities: engage 10 to 20 minutes on Instagram daily, Monday through Friday, commenting on posts, sharing IG stories, liking posts, saving posts that the client could benefit from, resharing own content, post reels, schedule content that aligns with the client's marketing objectives via Cloud Campaign, Planoly, and Later, or whichever platform the client uses, create relevant, original, and high-quality content, assist with other clients' projects, identify customer needs and gaps in their content and recommended ideas, coordinate with team to ensure all social media and marketing aspects are cohesive, conduct research on industry-related news and topics, brainstorm new ideas for content, conduct keyword research, and use SEO guidelines to increase web traffic. Ensure all-around consistency. Qualifications: excellent time management skills is a must, experience in graphic design is also a must, and experience with Canva will be preferred. Knowledge of social media platforms, that's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. A plus will be TikTok. Familiar with Instagram features. Ability to create quality content for our clients that represent their brand's voice and branding. Must be comfortable working with clients in various time zones. Must complete tasks during business hours. Ability to meet deadlines. Has great communication skills. Willingness to learn new software programs and other technologies. Excellent grammar and writing skills in English. Proven ability to design social media campaigns that bring measurable results. This job is part-time, pays up to $18 an hour. It includes a flexible schedule with a referral program. The schedule is day shift, Monday through Friday, self-determined schedule. At least education, high school or equivalent is required, and 1 year of graphic design will be preferred. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, I'm going to put the link right in the description below under job number 3 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We have one more job right here that we're going to discuss in this particular video, but also on this channel, we dedicate ourselves to find you the best remote work from home job that's available for you. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be among the first notified when we have the best one for you. The next job is for the company Knack Inc. They're looking for a digital content manager. It pays up to $65,000 a year. Knack is to make it easier for multitasking mobile professionals to get from point A to point B without lugging a bunch of bags. In other words, one bag life. Our multi-purpose products combine the best features of stylish, daily use computer backpacks with a patent-pending hidden compartment that you can easily access, expand, and pack like a suitcase whenever you need extra space for travel, the gym, or anywhere life takes you. We sell a product exclusively through knackbags.com. They're looking for a digital content manager who will create and manage compelling branded content across a number of channels that will engage the Knack consumer while building brand awareness. You will develop a deep understanding of our audience in order to communicate our brand story and inform our consumers with value-add content in order to drive qualified traffic to our site. As a key member of our marketing team, you will develop and implement a wide range of content for every stage of the purchase funnel across the following channels: third-party digital publishers, influencers, traditional PR, Knack social media, our blog, email, and SMS. You must be prepared to roll up your sleeves and get the job done. Knack is comprised of make it happen personalities. This position will start as a full-time contractor position and could lead to full-time employment with equity participation in the second half of the year. Knack is a fully remote company with teams located in Providence, Richmond, and Portland, Oregon. The digital content manager is a fully remote position. And while we prefer someone located in or near Providence or Portland areas, we will entertain candidates from other areas. In this role, you'll be responsible for defining and owning Knack's digital content strategy across all non-cost per click channels, growing Knack brand recognition, community, traffic, and sales in accordance from NAC's overall brand strategy, creating and implement 100% of NAC organic content, managing the day-to-day operations for third-party digital publishers, influencers, traditional PR, NAC social media, blog, email, and SMS, developing and executing monthly content calendar designed to support brand and communication strategy, using data to drive decisions, optimize content and content strategy, and to ensure achievement goals, forecasting growth for each channel based on historical data and industry trends. Specific responsibilities include manage all marketing efforts on organic social media, post content, and interact with our social community in a timely manner by answering questions, asking for feedback, or sparking meaningful conversations, define, organize, and write copy for the blog, define, organize, and write copy of all email and SMS communications, aggressively identify, recruit, and onboard new and external content publisher, large and small, across a variety of verticals and industries, optimize and enhance existing content publishing partner productivity by creating customized non-promotional incentives, help as needed with the website content and copy, serve as an editor-in-chief for all digital content to ensure quality, clarity, and consistency, integrate SEO best practices into site content to boost qualified traffic, collaborate with other team members to optimize content so it can be maximized across multiple channels. Experience required: bachelor's degree in marketing, creative writing, or related field, 2 to 4 years experience in content creation for a fast-growing direct-to-consumer brand, exceptional writing communication skills, experience managing external content creators, focused, hardworking individuals who thrives in a fast-paced environment, self-starter who is naturally driven to complete projects and meet KPIs, ability to multitask, prioritize an ever-changing workload, experience quantifying ROI for content marketing efforts, proficient in Adobe Suite, Microsoft Excel, Google Suite, and Google Analytics, creative, energetic, and problem solver. Desired: photography or video skills, graphic design skills, retail sales background understanding, ability to understand HTML and CSS, passion for bags. This job is full-time, pays up to $65,000 per year. It includes some benefits such as flexible schedule and employee discount. The schedule is Monday through Friday with some weekend availability. Education: bachelor's will be preferred, and experience at least 1 year of content marketing and e-commerce is preferred. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, I'm going to put the link right in the description below under job number 4. But if not, don't worry. All you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell on this particular channel, because we pride ourselves on finding you the best work from home job that's available for you. So if you want to be among the first notified, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be the first notified when we have the best remote work from home job that's available for you. And we also have online courses available for you. We have Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home. If you're curious about how to land that remote job, how to ace those interviews, how to have the best resume, then Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home, will be the course for you. We have Building Profitable Online Side Hustles, so you have multiple streams of income. We also have Creating Your Own YouTube Empire. If you ever wanted to do a YouTube channel, whether you show your face or not, you can do it as well. And if you want to get all 3 of these courses as the ultimate work from home bundle for 45% off, it's also available. All the links are going to be in the description below, so you can go and get those online courses right away and make all the money from home. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.